so people don't get their ears destroyed.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Paulding County in
Second one today.
Georgia, northeastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, central Polk County in northwestern Georgia until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Felton or near Cedartown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
Sorry if that hurt anybody's ears.
Locations impacted include Cedartown,
Are we gonna get a doubleheader?
Aragon, Braswell, Yorkville, Fish Creek, Eubank Lake, Antioch, and Van Wert. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
That was the second one.
Tornado watch number.
That was the second one for tonight. Oh my god. 1 second. Oh my god. Here it is again. Oh my lord. Oh, it's coming. Alright, everybody. This is my second severe thunderstorm warning. And this is a lot. So, there's a lot going through over here in Georgia, so thank you for taking a look at this. See ya. Until next time, actually.